Have you ever been told to avoid ghee because it causes cholesterol? Or heard someone say clarified butter is too fatty or will make you gain weight? And yet, on the other side, you see people calling it a superfood, liquid gold, and the secret to better digestion. So, who is right? Is ghee actually healthy, or is it just another cultural food trend blowing up online? Healthwise Digest comes with the answers. Today we are breaking down the science behind ghee, busting the biggest myths and helping you understand who should use it, how much to use and the safest ways to add it to your daily diet, no matter where in the world you live. Let's get straight to the truth. What exactly is ghee? Ghee, also known as clarified butter, is made by heating butter until the water evaporates and the milk solid separates. What's left behind is pure, stable fat that is rich in nutrients and has high smoke point, making it ideal for cooking. It is widely used across South Asia, the Middle East, and increasingly in kitchens around the world. Why is ghee valued in nutrition science? Ghee is nutritionally dense and contains fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are essential for immunity, bone strength, skin health, and vision. It also contains butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid linked to improved digestion and reduce gut inflammation. Ghee has medium-chain fatty acids which are used quickly by the liver for energy, and with a high smoke point about 250 degrees centigrade or 482 degrees Fahrenheit, it's safer than most refined oils for high heat cooking. Now let's bust some myths with science. Myth number 1. Ghee causes weight gain. Fact: weight gain comes from excess calories, not from ghee alone. In moderation, ghee increases satiety and may even reduce overeating. Myth number 2. Ghee raises cholesterol dramatically. Fact: research shows that moderate ghee consumption does not significantly raise cholesterol in healthy individuals. Trans fats and heavily refined oil pose a far greater risk. Myth number 3. Plant oils are always healthier than ghee. Fact: many plant oils undergo chemical refining. Ghee is natural, stable at high temperatures and free from preservatives or additives. Myth number 4. Ghee is unsafe for people with diabetes. Facts: when used moderately, ghee can actually slow down sugar absorption and help stabilize post-meal blood glucose levels. Let's talk about ghee in winter. During colder months, the body experiences higher energy demands, dry skin and dehydrated joints, slower digestion and lower immunity. Ghee helps counter all four. It provides quick, clean burning energy, acts as a natural joint lubricant, supports digestions of heavy foods, supplies fat-soluble vitamins that support immunity, and even helps reduce dryness of skin and hair. How much should you consume? You can use about 1 to 2 teaspoons per day, depending on your health status and overall fat intake. You can add ghee to breakfast like oatmeal, porridges, eggs, toast, or traditional flatbreads. For lunch, mix it into lentils, soup, stews, rice, or roasted vegetables. At dinner, it works well with whole grains, winter vegetables, or light sauteed dish. Before bed, warm milk with a tiny amount of ghee may support digestion. And for topical use, some people apply ghee to dry skin or lips. This is optional and based on traditional practice. Moderation is important for everyone, but special caution is advised for individuals with uncontrolled diabetes, those with obesity, people with high cholesterol, and anyone with a history of heart disease. Always consult your doctor or nutritionist if you fall into these groups. Should you fear ghee? Absolutely not, when used wisely. Modern science and traditional wisdom agree on one thing. Ghee supports digestion, boosts immunity, helps maintain energy, provides essential nutrients, and cooks safely at high temperatures. So instead of removing ghee completely, just use it mindfully and in moderation. If you learned something new today, watch more health-related videos on on Healthwise Digest, your health, your story, and follow us on Facebook for daily health tips at Healthwise Talks.